Hello, what's up guys? In today's video we have the Vivo Y17s, which is locked. Let's unlock this phone with the hard reset. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone. To power off the phone, you guys have to press the power and volume up key for the menu and then tap on power off. Now after that, press the power and volume up keys simultaneously. Keep holding on to both the keys until it gets into the fast boot mode. Here inside the fast boot mode, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select a recovery mode and then wait for a few seconds so the phone can get into the recovery menu. When the phone finally gets into the recovery menu, tap on clear data, then clear all data, and then tap on OK at the bottom. Then wait for the process to be completed. This will completely erase all the data from your phone. When the process completes, tap on return, then tap on the back, and here tap on restart and then OK. After the restart, the phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Then when the phone finally turns on, tap on start, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again while the pattern or password that was set up previously now has been removed.